Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County, western Hocking County, eastern Pickaway County, northeastern Ross County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:45 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Circleville, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, Logan, Asheville, South Bloomfield, Kingston, Williamsport, Hocking Hills State Park, Logan Elm Village, Fox, Amanda, Stoutsville, Laurelville, Clarksburg, Sugar Grove, Adelphi, Tarleton, East Ringgold, Islesboro, South Bloomingdale and Clearport. The tornado warning for Pickaway